The world's most unusual and fascinating trees that even scientists find astonishing. Number 10. Socotra Dragon Tree. This tree looks like it belongs in a fantasy movie. It is named dragon because its trunk produces red sap that resembles blood. These trees are found on Socotra Island in Yemen, and their umbrella-like shape makes them unique. The most interesting fact about this tree is that it can live for hundreds of years. Its bark is used in making medicines and paints. Number 9. Rainbow Eucalyptus. As the name suggests, this tree spreads the magic of colors. The colorful strips on its bark make it look as though someone painted it with a brush. It is found in Southeast Asia and Australia, primarily grown for making paper. Up close, it seems like a rainbow has descended to the ground. Number 8. Baobab Tree. Also called the Tree of Life, these massive trees of Africa and Madagascar can store thousands of liters of water in their trunks. They can grow up to 30 meters tall and 50 meters wide, living for thousands of years. The bark and fruit of this tree are used for food and medicines. It appears as if the tree is growing upside down. Number 7. Jabuticaba. One of the most unique trees in the world, this tree is native to Brazil. Its fruits grow directly on the trunk and branches, not among the leaves. The small, grape-like fruits are sweet and are used to make jam, wine, and juice. It looks as though someone has hung beads all over its trunk. Number 6. Wisteria. Not a tree but a stunning vine known for its incredible beauty in parts of Japan. Its purple and white hanging flowers make it seem like a curtain of fairies descending from the sky. Walking under its umbrella-shaped canopy feels like a magical experience. As beautiful as it looks, its fragrance is equally enchanting. Number 5. The President Tree. Located in California's Sequoia National Park, this giant tree stands about 247 feet tall. It is one of the largest sequoia trees in the world. Named the President because of its age and size, it is considered the leader of the forest. This tree is approximately 3,200 years old, and its presence makes anyone feel small. Number 4. Silk Cotton Tree. Found near the Angkor Wat Temple in Cambodia, these trees are famous for their massive roots. Their roots spread so wide that it looks like they hold the ground and temples together. These trees remind everyone of ancient grandeur and historical stories. They act as a bridge between history and the jungle, enhancing the beauty of the Angkor Wat Temple. Number 3. Cherry Blossom. A symbol of Japan, cherry blossoms bloom in the spring season. When they bloom, the entire area becomes a canvas of pink and white. Their beauty is so mesmerizing that people come from far away to see them during the Cherry Blossom Festival. Underneath these blossoms, people enjoy picnics, making it feel like a dreamland. Number 2. Great Banyan Tree. Located in West Bengal, India, this tree will leave anyone astonished. It looks like an entire forest but is actually a single tree. Its roots are so widespread that it covers 4.6 acres of land. Seeing it as a reminder of how unique nature can be. Number 1. Birch Tree. This tree is known for its bright white bark and slender trunk. It looks as though it belongs in an art gallery. Found in northern Europe and Asia, its bark is used in traditional medicines and decorative items. If you've watched this far, don't forget to like and share this video.